Hi! You just stay there. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I'm sure you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, looking after a baby today. Me. Pretty certain me and Nick are gonna start trying within the next year or two. So baby might be on the way. Thought I should have some practice. So I got in contact with Ebony, and Ebony is willing to come over and let me look after her baby for a day. What? If you don't know who Ebony is, I will make sure to link her channel down below and her family vlog channel. She is another YouTuber, she has a voice of gold, and she has recently had a baby. I do believe that little Daisy is 6 to 7 months old. Pretty little. Really excited, really nervous if you couldn't tell. Also, while I've got you here, I do have a brand new channel where I'm doing kind of shorter form videos, more kind of sketches and relatable videos, that kind of thing. So I will link that for you in the clickable I button. Yeah. I'm gonna see where Ebony's up to. There'll be a baby in the house soon. Who's that? Everybody meet Daisy. She's having a little. Oh! She's having a little cry. Hello.
She's so unsure.
She's gonna cry.
What am I doing here?
Don't cry.
Okay, 3 reasons why a baby will cry.
Okay.
She's tired. She's done a poo.
Okay.
Or she's hungry.
Should we check? I smell nothing.
No poos.
No poos.
So what is it, Daisy?
What's wrong? Are
Are you hungry?
Let's try and give her some food.
I'll lay out the food and then you can choose which one.
I see mangoes. That sounds like pudding.
She can have anything you want to give her.
Pudding. Let's give you mango.
Pudding for lunch.
Yeah. How do we do this?
Okay, so.
Am I twisting? I'm trying. But we're not doing. No, we are doing this. Okay. We've got the top off. Do I squidge it or shake it first? Or
Squidge it.
I should have done that while the top was up. Wait, I'm learning. Okay, we're squidging. It's coming. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're ready. I've immediately spilled it. And open. No.
Come on.
Got a taste for it? No. Come on and open. No. She's not opening, Ebony.
She just will have a little bit, I think. There
Oh,
we
way.
go.
And then
She's wriggling so much, she's not making it easy for you.
Oh, tasty.
That's it, good girl.
Come on. Come on. Here, Daisy. Oh yes, we got one in. High five.
Ready?
Mummy, show me. Ready?
Yeah.
Yes! We're pro. And no!
She's like, can I trick you? Okay, so in that bag is like a packet of like food. You want that? This is my crisp. It tastes real good. And none for you. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. If you're editing a video and you had a baby.
Right, mate. You just stay there. Ooh. Is that tasty?
I've never seen anyone love a rice cake so much.
You haven't seen me with a rice cake. Oh, look at you smile. Look at you smile. We're going to try and sterilise a bottle for you now. We're going to try and sterilise a bottle, but Ebony would like me to do it with baby in tow.
This thing here is a steriliser.
Okay.
I have some bottles prepared for you.
Okay.
So normally, these would be like milk stained and a bit gross. You normally just like wash them in the sink, but then there's still like germs and bacteria and stuff. And because she's so little, her
immune system,
that's the thing. It like can't fight off germs. So you have to put it in here.
Right.
And then you have to take off Try and get that little thing out of here.
Am I gonna break it?
Yeah, nice. You fill this thing with water from the tap.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Hot water, cold water?
Just cold. That's fine, that's a good amount.
Okay. We're just sterilising, Daisy.
And then you pop this stuff on.
Oh my goodness. Right, we're taking this to the microwave. Come on, Daisy. Here we go.
Now we got to see if it fits.
Oh no.
Ours doesn't fit. We have to like ram it in.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Woohoo! Easy peasy.
There's a lot they don't tell you.
Literally so much.
Mummy did it.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna be a mommy. Not yet.
After today, Jazz is gonna be like, I think I'm ready. Baby,
I can do this.
Next video you
can
see
do
will be
this.
the pregnancy announcement.
Okay, Daisy. Wish me luck here. Gonna do my first nappy change.
It's
Oh my gosh.
nappy.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, cozy. 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 Right.
It's so soft.
Don't roll away.
Yeah, so now
Oh,
she's
no.
now she's learning
No,
to
don't
roll.
roll.
She just rolls
Right.
all the time.
We're taking these off. This will all have to be censored. We don't want your bottom on camera, do we? All right, I'm trying. Oh dear. Right, let's not get anything on your nice white dress. And
You want to play with them?
we're opening. Now, there's techniques to this, I've seen. I don't know what they are.
So this,
Do we wipe down?
I usually take this off and then tuck it under her bum just in case
Okay.
she doesn't wee.
Okay. Got you. This got a hole in it. Right, we're wiping. But obviously you're quite clean anyway. So that's lovely for me. Thanks.
Lift her little legs up.
And which one's back and front?
The back one is these ones with the tabs.
Okay. I am sorry, little one. yeah, if you weren't here, I don't know what I'd be doing right now. Come on, good girl. How far up her bum does that go?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, all right, Missy. Come on, we're trying here. I'm trying my
And then
best.
these pull out like that,
Okay.
and then like that,
Oh my
and it
goodness.
pulls over like that. Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying. Wait.
It's okay.
I got it.
It's nice. It means you have a nice clean nappy. There.
Oh, oh my goodness. Gracious
You
me.
did good.
Right, well I had that easy because luckily Daisy had only weed. Later, Ebony's told me I'm going to be doing number 2
There's a poop brewing.
with no help.
Yeah.
So wish me luck.
I'll help keep her still.
How are you finding it so far?
It's all right, but I feel like I've had so much help.
By the end of today, you're going to be so tired.
I'm already a little bit tired, not going to lie.
How are you finding it?
Oh. Oh.
Actually quite fun, isn't it? What's that?
I can have no hair left. That's the one, in we go. Yep. No. Come on. Right, well, this is not going to plan.
Sometimes it's easier to put them on when she's that way.
Yes, Daisy, yes. Yeah. Oh no, a toaster.
She's found her nappy bag. Don't eat it.
Guess who
Woohoo! I think if we're going out, she needs this cardigan on too. Sorry, sorry.
Right. Oh no. Oh, she's settled. Do you know what? This was a breeze.
Done.
Boom! I am pro mummy going on. Oh!
I'd really like to eat that. Good?
Yes. Let's head out.
Are you gonna drive?
I'm tired.
I'm. Okay, so in the bag we need a nappy.
Just one
Probably
nappy.
take 2 nappies just in case. Some nappy bags.
Okay.
And we'll take the food that we opened. Chris.
God, toy,
Oh,
Chris?
nappy wipes.
Nappy wipes.
What else?
Got a very heavy bag for your little tiny person.
A beer.
Oh my gosh. Like we're going on holiday, Daisy.
So you push that, and then the handle moves forward.
Okay.
So I would put it into the middle position, yeah.
Okay.
And then spin the buggy round. And at the back there's a red lever, do you see it? So stand up, push that lever, and like hold on like this, yeah? And then these wheels fold forward. Yeah, like that.
Oh, I see. Okay, she's going down. Okay.
Okay, ready? It's heavy, right?
Okay, well, this is my day, okay.
Just tell me if you want to switch. Now that you're down, yeah,
so we push
pull
it
that
again.
lever again and then lift it up
Oh
and the
my
wheels come
goodness.
down. You're a pro.
Yes! We have popped out to Costa. I got myself porridge. I don't know why I made that decision. Ebony got some popcorn. She's just currently asking for some water so we can warm up this little one's bottle. Hi Daisy. Hi little munchkin. Mama's got water. So we're gonna warm up her bottle and then I'm gonna attempt to feed milk.
Yeah, milk.
We're gonna attempt formula. Bottle. I'm trying, Daisy.
And you pour that
The whole thing?
in. Yeah.
Good. And I'm shaking?
Yeah, put that on. Then put your finger on the like,
You sure?
yeah, and then shake it.
Oh yeah. Is she comfortable? I don't know. What, how's that arm? We're in the 4 to 24 months. Look how cute all of these little clothes are. They're little cats. So this is what we've got going on. And the cutest thing so far is probably this dress. Is this Daisy's size?
It actually is.
Perfect.
Oh my God, it's £5. That's so good.
Let's get this. I've just found this. It's a little onesie with Winnie the Pooh and then little leggings and a little hat. And not kidding, I think I'm gonna buy this for my baby that I don't have yet, just because it might not be in stock when I have a baby. So I think I'm gonna pre-buy for the baby I don't have yet.
Oh my God.
I've got my little snow onesie.
We
and
just got
Daisy's
this from
one.
Asta.
We've even both got hooks.
I love this.
Should we match? Yeah, she's so excited about it. I'm ready.
Oh
My gosh. Hello. Look at
She
this.
can't stop looking at you.
Oh.
She likes your hood.
No, she doesn't.
This is why they say don't work with babies. Because when you want them to be happy, they have a little grizzle. We have a little bit of a grizzly girl today. I think it's because normally she has like an hour and a half nap, and today she's only had like little half an hour segments in the car. So I think she's just like a bit tired playing with Jazz. How are you finding baby life?
Tired,
Yeah.
but you're cute, so it makes it okay.
You've had a particularly grizzly baby today, so it's extra tricky. Sometimes she's like super content. Jazz is also learning how to do everything one-handed.
I opened the milk one-handed.
Yeah, I can't even do that.
I
That was
impressed
impressive.
with myself.
Yes. Yes. This is how I do kung fu.
Unless she poops before Ebony and Daisy leave, unless she poops, I'm gonna end this video here. How did I do?
You did good.
Yeah?
Yeah, you were really good. When we were
Tried my
shopping,
best.
you just naturally took the pram. I was like, sure, you take the lead.
Bye, Daisy. Say bye.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye. So we're gonna say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought, and if you thought, you know, maybe I should be a mum quite soon, then let me know, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.